Look what I got today. I always get excited to get my packages. So we are about to open this up. What's up, little lady?
Nothing.
And my little ladybug is gonna help, huh, Aria?
I'm eating McDonald's.
Uh-oh.
I ate that chicken nuggets.
So again, this is one of my favorite companies, Beadable Bliss. I love them. And I've been getting my packages even sooner, so yay for that.
Can I make a pen that it cuts off with the donut?
Ooh, girl, look at all this beautiful stuff we got.
Well, I can.
Ooh, ooh. Oh, we got some Christmas balls. Ooh, we got little elves. Look at this.
I want to make a Christmas pen now.
Ooh, these are cute.
I just want to make a pen cuddle now.
A pen cutter?
Yeah. That's Christmas.
OMG, look at this. Look how cute. He's cute.
That kind of looks like the
We're
elf.
going to do some Christmas pens.
It kind of looks like the elf that we have had in the sports class.
Who is this, Aria?
The Simpsons.
Yep. Look at that. How cute.
I watch you.
That's Bart.
Yes.
OMG.
Wait, yeah, that's Bob.
I ordered more of these little girlies.
Make a girly pen.
Look at these little beads or balls, the Grinch balls.
Wait.
I ordered some Spider-Man ones for my little Spider-Man. Ooh, look at this. Little Christmas lights.
The face doesn't look as familiar.
Nope. Little Christmas beads. Look at these, are cute. These are going to be cute for our little Christmas pens. I had to reorder Hello Kitty because I keep running out. These are cute, look, for a mother. It says mother, what does it say?
I should make a pen
Gentle, yeah, gentle, funny, kind, loving, happy, supportive. It's really cute.
I want to make it for mommy.
You want to make it for mommy?
Yeah.
And I got some nurse focals.
It's laying on a cookie.
I got some more nurse ones. I've been getting a request for those. I got Snoopy because he runs out a lot too.
You should make that for Miss 8.
Oh, I know, maybe for Christmas.
She
And
loves.
I was expecting this because I have an event to go to on Sunday, so I need to make some cheer ones. I needed these. Like these. Oh, this one's cute too. Look, the little Grinch with the hand. Those are really cute pens.
He's like stealing the ornament.
Yeah, he's stealing it. I got strawberry shortcake.
Strawberries.
I got these cute little, is it a Santa? I don't know, in a cute little cup. I got this one that says, teaching is a work of heart.
Teaching is a work of art.
Maybe I can do those for my teachers. And these are for dads. I got a mom one and a dad one.
Ooh, I want to make a dad and a mom.
Dad, it's patient, selfless, devoted, wise, clever, handsome, hero, cool.
At first, I want to make mommy a pen. That says what does it say on the
And
mom?
I got me a whole bunch of little handheld mirrors.
I think Mom will want one.
Your mom will want a mirror?
Yeah. She will want the color black because it's her favorite.
Oh, Lord, there's more stuff down here, girl. What? I thought we were done. I got some Laker ones.
No, I want it.
Ooh, Kuromi.
That's in my blanket.
Uh-huh.
Mommy,
Don't put it too close, girl, so you can see.
I can't even really be in it.
Oh, these are, you know what? These are all different ones. Wow.
I'm really excited.
Look at, I'm excited for this little pot. It looks so cool.
Oh, Coraline.
I got your Coraline, girl. She got her Coraline.
Well,
I got some more.
Me?
I got some more doctor ones. Oh, I did get Maui. Look, I didn't see it on my receipt, but I got
Buttercups.
Yeah. How exciting!
My mom likes buttercups.
I'm so
I like
excited.
Blossom because she's the little, and it has
I have a whole bunch of cool ones. Oh, look at this. What is this one called? Is that from Toy Story? Yeah,
Which one?
This little one with the eyes.
Yeah. No, it's not.
Oh, well, I got some.
It's from Monster Inc.
Oh, Monsters Inc. Yeah, there you go. I got Daisy Duck.
I can make
Oh, I
my
got
cone
Snoopy
like
with the
that.
heart.
I can make my cone like that.
Oh, look at Papa Smurf. I got Papa
Look at
Smurf.
the
Oh, yeah, I got a cookie. I got a.
No, it's a
I think-
marshmallow.
I don't know. Marshmallow cookie.
It's not
I think
marshmallow
so.
cookie.
Oh, this is from Toy Story, huh? The weird eye one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Got that one. I got more for, what are they called? The people that take out blood? I don't know what they're called.
I can make my
Phlebotomy.
cone like that.
Look at this one from Ghostbusters, maybe?
Yeah, Ghostbusters.
Oh, look at this one. This one's for, South Park, I think.
Yeah, South Park. I watched the scary one and I was creeped out.
I got Groot.
Ooh.
Oh my god, I got another Snoopy right here.
Oh,
Oh, you know what I ordered? I ordered Angelica too. I want to see what she looks like.
I can make
Where's
my cone like
Angelica?
that. I can make my cone like that.
Oh, I got a diploma. So I figured I can start practicing on the graduation pins.
Ooh, I saw Mirabelle.
You saw who?
Mirabelle.
Where is?
She's right there.
Oh yeah, I did get her.
You did.
Oh, I don't
you
know.
got cone right. I want to make the cone right now.
I got a. Oh, I got the fishy.
From,
Finding Nemo.
yeah, Finding Nemo.
Oh,
I can't say
I
Finding
found
Nemo.
her. Is this Angelica?